Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix File Explorer search not working properly in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly click on Start, type here Services, open Services. Now in this list guys, you have to find out Windows Search. Right click on it and Properties. Now stop and click on Start. Now here select Automatic Delayed Start, then Apply, then click on OK. Now close it and search indexing option, open indexing options. Now here click on advanced. Now delete and rebuild index, click on it. Rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. So click on OK. Now wait for a while till this process will complete. And once this process will complete, guys, you have to close and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve File Explorer search not working properly in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.